Now we will see other additives used in liquid dosage forms. First is coloring agents. Coloring agents are added in the liquid dosage forms for first is product identification, so that product could be identified. Product identification, okay. Then second will be it increases the elegance of the product, means the appearance is improved. Third is for distinguishing the product. And fourth and very important is to mask the discolored ingredients or drugs. And the coloring agents, these are also very important for liquid dosage forms. If we see the types of coloring agents, then they are of two categories. First is natural and second is synthetic. Now we will see what are the natural coloring agents and what are the synthetic coloring agents. If you have not liked or subscribed the channel, do like, share and subscribe the channel. First of all, we will see natural coloring agents. If you see natural coloring agents, then these are obtained from natural sources. What are the natural sources? So from amongst the natural sources, first is vegetable colors. Vegetable colors means the colors which are obtained from plants. Example will be chlorophyll. We know that it gives green color. Then second is carotene. Then second comes animal colors. In animal colors, what could be the example? Have you learned? Yeah, example is cochineal. This is from animal source. Third will be from mineral source. Now third is mineral color. Mineral color example is titanium dioxide and ferric oxides. Next we will see what are the synthetic coloring agents. Synthetic means not from natural sources, but they are the chemicals. And in synthetic coloring agents, there are two categories. First we say as F, D and C category, Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act category of drugs. In this, the example is, first is erythrocin. Erythrocin color is used for producing red color. Second is tartrazine. Tartrazine color is also FD and C color, and it is generally used for providing yellow color to the formulation. Then second is D and C category of colors. In this, the examples are, first example is indigo. As the name suggests, indigo means it will be giving blue color. Second is eosin. Eosin gives which color? It gives red color. Third is fluorescein. Fluorescein means fluorescence, yellow color is produced. So the coloring agents are of natural type and synthetic type. And you could also see that coloring agent could be in solution form or in lake form. These are the two forms in which the coloring agents are. Next comes flavoring agent. Flavoring agents, these are added to mask the unpleasant smell. So these are the flavoring agents, and flavoring agents could be of, first is natural source. So what are the examples? Examples are pineapple, then cardamom, that is elaichi, then ginger, that is adrak. Second comes volatile oils. Volatile oils means they get evaporated. They have such type of constituents. Example is clove, that is long, lemon, orange. So the citrus fruits have volatile oil. Then comes third, synthetic chemicals. Synthetic chemicals are also used as flavoring agents. Example, alcohol, aldehyde, fatty acids, and esters. In this, what we have to take care is the flavoring agents should be compatible with the colors that you are adding, and if they are not compatible, then those pharmaceutical dosage forms or those liquid dosage forms are not accepted. Zanovsky and Wesley said that there are basically 4 taste sensations, and these sensations are, first is salt, second is bitter taste, third is sweet taste, and fourth is sour taste. And according to these tastes, the flavoring agent should be there, and there should be the sour, bitter, sweet, and salty taste, which should be in comparison to the colors that are already present. For example, if there is salt taste, then the in this side there should be either butterscotch, then maple, apricot, peach, vanilla, wintergreen, or mint. This you have to learn, as it is sometimes asked in GPAT. So here comes this one. Second is bitter. In bitter you will see anise, then chocolate, wild cherry, then walnut, then mint combinations, passion fruit, and mint spice. Okay, these are related with bitter taste. Then comes sweet taste. For sweet taste, what I used for sweet taste, fruit, berry, and vanilla. These are compatible with sweet taste. Now comes sour taste. In sour taste, it is citrus flavor, then licorice, then root beer, and raspberry. These are related with sour. Next we will see viscosity amplifiers or viscosity controlling agents. Viscosity is very important for liquid dosage forms. To increase the viscosity, what we can do is, first we can increase sugar concentration of the liquid dosage form. By that the viscosity could be increased. Second method for increasing the viscosity is by adding viscosity controlling agents like PVP, that is polyvinyl pyrrolidone, then cellulose derivatives. These are also added to increase the viscosity. In cellulose derivatives, example is carboxymethyl cellulose and sodium carboxymethyl cellulose. These are very important because the polymers that are used for viscosity increasing, it has been seen that they might form the molecular complex with variety of organic and inorganic compounds. So we have to take care that the viscosity amplifiers that you are using, they should be compatible with drug as well as with the other additives that are added in the liquid dosage forms. Other additives.